Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to allow camera permission on apps on Android. So first of all, launch settings on your Android devices. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on security and privacy. Now from here, scroll down below again and you'll see permissions used in last 24 hours. So tap on it. Now tap on the category of apps. From here, tap on a specific app you want to allow camera access to. I'm going to tap on Facebook. Now over here, you will see three dots at the top right. Tap on it. Now tap on Manage Permissions for this app. Now on top, you'll see the option of camera. Tap on it. Now over here, if you have the option selected for Don't Allow, make sure that you choose the first option, that is Allow Only while using the app. So this will enable camera access to specific apps you choose on your Android device. You could follow the same step for other apps as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.